This is a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg, a big SUV for big fun. It has a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include front seat with memory settings, a power sunroof, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a navigation system, cruise control, a CD player, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 67,000 miles on the odometer. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Ford and Hyundai of Kirkland is located at 11800 124th Northeast in Kirkland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.